Hello guys, today in this video I will guide you how we have made a $100 balance and how we have made a $800 profit within a single trade. And now I will guide you how you can make a big profit with using the small balance and how you can make a big profit easily. I have a strategy and I will try to guide you my strategy. And if you want to make a big profit, then watch the video till the end without any part of skip. And I hope you will learn something with my video and your trading will be a great and you also can avoid your previous loss. Now you can see we have a balance of $100 and I will use this balance for the trade and I will try to make a big profit with using the small balance of 100. So you can see I am searching a new trade and after the search I have a trade. Then I am changing the load size and now you can see I am trying to place the trend line on the screen. As you can see the market have touched the gain and gain on the trend line and after touching the trend line market are going on the upside. And now you can see I have changed the load size of 0.1 and I have tried to place the buy and buy entry with the full margin. And also you can see I am trying to place the lower bar on the screen. And also you can see we have marked the airline on the screen. And now you can see our profit have touched the $50 in profit. Now you can see we mark the upper bar on the swing and I hope the market will go up again and again when we will make a big profit with using the small balance of $100. And now you can see our profit have touched the $190 in profit. And also you can see market have touched the $200 in profit. And now you can see I am trying to close my trend. And you can see I have closed my trade instantly and our total balance are $311. So I have started with the small balance with $100 and I have made 2x profit minimum with using this trade live. And you can see I will use this balance of $300 for the next trade and I will try to make a more trades and more profit with the using the balance of $300. And now you can see I am trying to search a new trade and also I have changed the load size of one standard load because I have a big balance in our chart of M1 time frame. And now you can see we are trying to place a buy and buy entry with the full margin. To leverage issue I am changing the load size of 0.5 and now you can see I am trying to place more and more entries with the full margin. And also you can see I have placed the lower bar on the screen and now I am marking the airline on the screen and you can see market have touched the lower bar. And I hope the market will go upside after few seconds and minutes because this is the level and I hope the market will go upside. If the market will break on the downside then we can lose our balance easily, but of the market will go upside. Now you can see market are going to start on the upside and our profit are still running $100 plus. Now you can see your profit have touched the $153 in profit and now you can see market are going very fast on the upside. So you can see hit the upper bar on the screen and market also going on the upside in our favor and we are going in the good profit. Now you can see our profit have touched the $405 till now. And I am trying to place more and more entries with the full margin. You can see market have touched the $463 easily and now you can see market have touched the $483 maximum. And I think I have tried to close our trade. Now you can see I am trying to close our trade instantly and our total balance are $800. I have placed only 2 trades and I have made a big profit. I have started this account with the small balance of $100 and I have made a big profit fit of $800 easily with the using the limited number of trade we have placed only 2 trades and we have made a big profit. If do you want same like this profit then you can and learning something with my video and try and only in demo count. I never recommend to use this strategy with the real count. In start you will use this strategy in a demo count. When you got a good result in demo count then try in a real count. If you do not got a good result in demo count then leave this strategy or watch a new videos for the learning purpose. This video is only for learning. Education purpose only. I am not your financial advisor. If do you like my video? Then subscribe my YouTube channel.
This is all about this strategy, and now if you want to learn more such strategies and about trading, then you should join our Telegram channel, the link to which has been provided in the description. And also, this video is for educational purposes only, and we are not your financial advisors. Trade at your own risk. If you want this strategy, use the link in the description to get it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated. To offer giveaways and other benefits for our regular subscribers who enjoy our videos, giving them significant advantages.